is not that cute. But if you're growing your hair out or you have long hair, sometimes you gotta put it up. This can be nice for some things, but sometimes we want something a little bit more fancy. I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite quick and easy updos. You'll look like $1 million and it'll take 2 seconds. You'll need one of these. It's a hair donut. This is a large size one because they have longer hair, but if you have shorter hair, you can get the smaller ones. You'll also need a hair tie, one that's preferably kind of tight, and one that's thinner and maybe a little bit looser, and one bobby pin. To begin, brush your hair up into a ponytail, and it can be wherever you like on your head. I have just come home from a couple days of camping here, so my hair is especially unruly. Next, you pull the center of your ponytail through the donut, and then splay it out like a sexy, sexy jellyfish. So sexy. Next, take your smaller rubber band and simply wrap it around the top of the bun and let it go. Since I have long hair, I have a lot of this excess hair, so I figured out if I brush it out nicely and wrap it into a little tiny pin curl at the back of my head, it looks pretty nice and finished. Admittedly, after uploading this video and looking at it, I realized I did kind of a crappy job. So here is my second attempt where I brushed out my pin curl much nicer. Well, that's that. My favorite way to put my hair up and not look like a total schlep. Ooh, don't forget to accessorize with a flower. Hair flowers are another gift of the getting ready quickly gods.